Hi everybody, it's me, and I'm going to do a I Saw Mommy Kissing Santa Claus nail, and I am alone. So I have all the colors from yesterday doing the Baby Yoda, and I'm just spraying them again, making sure they're nice and wet. And I'm going to be using red and green, black, white, but I'm going to be doing it in the traditional way that I used to paint nails a long time ago. I have to plant how they're going to be at the beginning. So here is her kissing right here. I want to make enough room to show the mistletoe and a hat. So I'm gonna make her wear a green dress, and I want her all around his neck like that. Then push it, leave a underarm area. And if you have a little tiny nail, this would be just enough. You could just stop right here, okay? Okay, so now I'll go to him, because I can entwine them to where it doesn't mess up my design at all. And you can make him like a cute guy, like a hunky guy. I've done him a million ways. I've done him even naked. Okay, there's that, and I go like this. Okay. And I'm going to make her a little bit smaller. So how you do that is you kind of just take the black and you go like this. Oh, I wish it was that easy in real life, eh? And make our butt go here. And then it looks like she's up in the air. Okay, do her leg using that same skin tone I mixed earlier. Okay. Get that black in there. Okay, now when you go in with the white, everything is kind of settled, so it masks all of your mistakes. So make a little, like a little triangle, little beard, and then I am going to leave his hair for last, but do like his little cuff and his cuff here. Cuff here. Okay. And then I will go in with a black mixed with the tiniest bit of white, and this just holds my place for the boot. But I can do the boot like this now, and then now you can kind of see where he is on the ground, and it's right near the end of the nail. This takes time to get the sizes right, and if you don't right away, it's okay as long as it translates well. So I'm going to paint in her other leg. I'm going to make it a little darker, and it's going to be behind. Okay, then I'll put her shoes. Using the side of my brush, I'm just tapping in and pulling. It's a great heel. And I'll just put the insinuation of another heel. Okay. Her dress should be dryish, so I will go in and put his Santa hand, and we will make the light greener here. I can't listen to music on this, but if you can, I say please do, because it turns out so much better when the music is playing, and then you can really get into just focusing on your art and listening to the music. It's one of the saddest things about YouTube, but I think over time it will change. I mean, I'm scared in general of all the, I'd just rather not cause any problems, because I want to make it to people who want to learn. Okay, so now you can make your mom look, or whatever you're painting, as however you want, but it changes everything. So once you put the hair on, how do I want her hair? Maybe I'll give her an A-line. Okay, this is where I would go in with a little tiny bit of red mixed with a tiny bit of white for a dark, dark pink, and I would highlight his suit. Get up close to the line and then mark in his front leg, leave his back leg unhighlighted, but do you see how I pulled that one leg right out? Now he has two legs. This is where I'll go in with a yellow. I have a mustard, close enough. Okay. Dot, 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 dot. Okay. Now I'm going to make him look like he's wincing from all the kisses. Okay. And then I'm going to make his hair. And his hair is going to be the funny part of this. So I'm going to make his hair look like she messed it all up. Okay, then the white again, I'm going to go in like she stole his hat. And make the hat kind of low because we know that the mistletoe is going to go there. And I can make the hat really elongated, and then it looks really cute because it's like stylized. Again, I'm not doing all the grays and the layers in this, and that's what allows you to do it so much faster. Now details. if you want to, like, get all the way up and make his ear kind of visible, and then take the white from his hair and put it all the way up. Get it close to the edges. Okay. Now I will do the mistletoe. Okay. So mistletoe is kind of easy-ish. I mean, it's just push, pull, push, pull. And then I will do just a couple berries, like there. And because this is just a fake nail, I left a little tiny edge around where I didn't paint, and this will get you faster. And that's why I don't paint them, because it's real easy to do things at different angles fast on a fake nail, because you don't have to worry about it hitting outside the line. But when you're on a real client, that's a real issue. And staying on time and doing cuticle work is very, very, I would say it's more important than any nail art I do. So I try and make sure that I don't give you like any kind of illusion. This is exactly me in real time painting. So here's a light pink, and I will highlight the shoe. And his dress, shirt. Okay, and too cute. I think a little bit lighter berries. Now you can add any kind of glitz, glam, etc. You can make one leg going upward. You can here, let me do some sparkle. So you can just make your own sparkle if you don't have any glitter. Just little dots of white. Dot, 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 dot. And then dot, 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 dot. And you can just keep on decorating. Okay, now white. Okay, now that that is done, oh, do I want her to highlight? I think I do. Okay, now that I have the top coat on, it looks great, right? It looks good. And so something that I learned after I got through this technique is that after you top coat and you dry it, if you have extra time, I mean, this is perfect as is, but if you have extra time after it dries, then you go in and you just kind of swipe along, and with the lightest touch and the thinnest white paint, you just go in and just kind of highlight and draw around and get that magic in there. And this is like the difference between, like, I can't explain it. All I know is that it looks way more hand painted. To me, the highest compliment is when someone looks at a nail and says, "Oh my gosh, is that done by hand?" That's when I know I did it. So this is much more like a hand painted design. And this takes a long time learn or to perfect, but to me it's worth it because it kept everything like so fun for so long, and still does. I love finishing a design like this. Okay, and here is the end result. So fun, so cute, and so unique. Please try them. Hashtag me, inspired by Robin Moses, when you copy my designs so that I can see them. Get brushes and support my channel. I use the same brush for all of my designs, which is at robinmosesnailart.com. This is the wand, and then I also have a striping brush that is awesome, and it's called the Unicorn. So anyways, I will see you back with more, and I will have a picture that will have it with matte top coat so you can see them both ways. Anyways, have a wonderful Christmas, and I'll see you back with more. This will be in my Christmas playlist. Bye everybody.